celebration every year. I happen to know Quet personally from my life on the island over in Beaufort for many years. So this is a Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week proclamation to designate the week of July 26, 2025 through August 3rd, 2025 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas Jasper County is one of the most historic low country counties in South Carolina, and in the 18th century, this area of the South Carolina coast became the locale of some of the richest rice and farming plantations in the South, which were linked to specific West African ethnic groups who became known as the Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee ancestral civilization originated in West Africa, its people coming to the United States due to having been enslaved in the United States to work on these plantations in the coastal regions, including South Carolina, and with their African fare, original language, and craftsmanship, the Gullah Geechee people have left their mark on South Carolina. And where the Gullah Geechee culture has a powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, including Jasper County, and these Gullah Geechee influences have helped define our southern lifestyle and culture. And whereas John Bascom, who served Jasper County in the South Carolina House of Representatives from 1870 to 1874, born in 1827, emerged from this culture and community and farmed the very lands on which he and many of his people had been enslaved, where the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act created by United States Representative James Clyburn, as well as the efforts of others such as Queen Quet, one of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shaw, co-founders of the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Sustainability Plan has been created to sustain the land and the Gullah Geechee culture, and whereas Queen Quet, who became the first Gullah Geechee to speak before the United Nations on behalf of the Gullah Geechees, led the creation of this plan and the aforementioned act, and whereas it is appropriate to recognize the importance of bringing an awareness and appreciation for this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of all the contributions the Gullah Geechee have given to our area, and where a series of activities will take place throughout Jasper County and virtually to honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation and a part of the United Nations Decade of People of African Descent. Whereas Jasper County joins in celebrating the lives of Gullah Geechees that have left such a rich legacy of our country, of our county, region, and nation. We're joining in with the theme for this year's celebration as 25 Years of Self-Determination, celebrating the roots and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Now therefore be it resolved that the Jasper County Council does hereby proudly proclaim the week of Saturday, July 26th until Sunday, August 3rd, 2025, Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And Jasper County encourages all citizens to actively participate in educational activities aimed at increasing both knowledge and appreciation of this rich culture, done this 21st day of July, 2025 at Ridgeland, Jasper County, South Carolina. Signed, John Kent, Chairman.
So much, appreciate it. Photo out first. Thank you for this year. One more again, Jasper County, and especially Mr. Taylor, as I hear you say this your last time, read them to me.
Yes.
Tell me under the grind from you. Coming back over there.
Coming back over there.
It is okay now. So glad if I did your one more again and thing like that. Like David said, we go way back where he been attorney over we side in Beaufort, and then y'all team from McCam Young, now you're going back. But it really been day home the whole time because all of this year one time in Beaufort County. See, we've been one. So this year day, we just still celebrate who we be so that people understand we legacy and thing like that. That one thing from Jacksonville, North Kakalaki to Jacksonville, Florida. So for all of them, the children, or they come here and thing like that, because I get it all this now. I know everybody in the venue. So I know a lot of y'all moved here, so you may not understand Gullah at all. So to help you out in this celebration every year for several years running, we have launched Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, not too far from you, on historic St. Helena Island, where I'm from, right next door to where he lives. And so next Saturday, or this coming Saturday, we will be beating the drums, sounding the drums at noon at the Penn Center National Landmark Historic District for Gullah Geechee Family Day. I've left some flyers out there already. I left some invitations on the desk here, and Councilman, I have these for you all that not only tells you about Gullah Geechee Family Day, but also other activities that will be happening on St. Helena after that. Gullah Geechee Books and Brunch will be our culminating event this year on August the 2nd, also at Penn Center's York Bailey Museum, Dr. York Bailey Museum. So we're looking forward to you all coming on. Come on down the road of the peace, and that far from Rachel to St. Helena. And so that way you have a chance to really enjoy the environment that I've heard many of you tonight speak so profoundly about, so passionately about. And David can tell you, I have always fought for our environment to be healthy, because people come to our state that is a place that we say is a place of beautiful places and smiling faces. And so we want to keep those smiles on the faces of those who have been here and then are going away to. And that definitely is the Gullah Geechee family. So I appreciate you all being a part of our 25th anniversary celebration for the Gullah Geechee Nation and my 25th anniversary as Queen. I known him before that, but we ain't gonna talk about how long that was. All right, and so definitely I appreciate you, Jasper County. Hope to see y'all over on our side and everything. We drove up from Florida to get here for this, so we about to get home before it get dark and whatnot, so we'll be leaving out right after this. But also, congratulations on your retirement. I hope you know what that word means. If you don't, I'll Google it for you so that you can relax a little bit after all these years of doing law. But definitely, we appreciate the work y'all continue to do here in Jasper County to keep the community and the culture alive and safe and healthy. Peace, love, and blessings, everyone.
Thank you.